Not gonna go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle taken off racetrack.
Stop from the racetrack.
You want your window broke, or are you gonna get out? Get out of the car!
July 9th, 2025. A peaceful evening suddenly turns tense when the police stop a car because the license plate is obscured. The police ask the female driver, "Mom," to roll down her window. But she defiantly replies, "No, you have to answer my question first." After refusing to cooperate and arguing, she suddenly speeds away, causing a tense confrontation.
Can you roll your window down so I can explain to you what happened? No, you're gonna do what I tell you. That's not how this works. No, you're not. No, you're not gonna go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle's taken off racetrack.
Clear all units, 1033 traffic vehicle taking off from the racetrack. What are you charging?
Just resisting. She's trying to back into a parking spot. She took off from me, and now she's parked in a racetrack parking spot after I told her not to.
Alright, careful. Put a Terminator down behind the tire if you can.
I got her semi-blocked in. Get out.
She can't move without hitting my car.
No, she's on the cell phone. We have her blocked in. She's not getting out.
Step out of the car.
She's on 911.
Sheriff's office, step out of the car. Do it now.
Nowhere?
Get out of the car. Do it now.
Sheriff's office, get out of the car. Do it now.
Just get back behind the car. Sheriff's office, get out of the car. Do it now.
Get out of the car.
Dispatch has been updated.
Are you good on the channel?
No, just keep it. Get out.
47011 Wellham Lane. Was an open line. You could hear
Dispatch has been
people
updated.
yelling, "Stay outside."
Sir, can you go over there, please? Or do whatever you want. That works too.
Sheriff's office, get out of the vehicle. Do it now.
224 to 210. Terminator's placed. You just want me to wait for you?
Do you have positive ID on her? Is she the Oro?
I'm not in a good position to be able to check my computer right now.
Sheriff's office, get out of the car. Do it now.
I got you.
Sheriff's office, remove yourself from the vehicle. Do it now. Sheriff's office, get out of the vehicle. Do it now. Hey, let's make this a little more tactical pleasant. Can we block off some of the entrances and things like that so we're not all just piled up?
Who's got shadow balls? Anybody?
Yeah, I got him.
Bring them over here.
Yeah, open the door. Are you still landline with her? That's affirmative. She is advising the other operator that she is refusing to get out of the vehicle. She doesn't know who to trust. There's a problem with LEO in the area before, and we can hear her telling you guys to shut up.
Alright, tell her to look to her left, tell her the supervisor's down at her, and move the call. What?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Get a little closer so she can't pull straight out.
Feel that.
I'm gonna drop the window a little bit out. Never.
Hey, somebody loop their vehicle around, please, on this side.
Right here.
Go move the car on the other side. Here. Move the car to the other side.
Let her know we're gonna break the window if she doesn't comply.
Is yours? Mm-hmm. Okay. Just make sure you have your gun out and you have shield up.
On speaker.
Yeah.
What's the PC on that?
Our tag was just obstructed. Okay. I tried to get behind her, call it out. She popped the U-turn over there. Okay. Immediately, I went up through a window. She cut the window like a half inch. Okay. Time's running out.
She is requesting that the supervisor needs to walk towards the vehicle.
The supervisor said, "You have 10 seconds to decide. Do you want your window broken or are you going to get out?" The woman remained motionless. After a countdown, the police broke the window, asked her to put her hands up, and get out of the car.
I tell you what. Hey, hang on. Listen, just listen to me. Listen to me. I'll tell you, I don't know. I wasn't here.
Okay. Okay. Hey, all right. Who's got the shatter balls?
We're gonna break the window.
Go ahead.
Here's the deal. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't want to talk, okay? Okay. Unfortunately, these are your options now. These are your options now, okay? These are your options. You're under arrest and you need to get out. It's either we're going to take you out of the car or you're going to step out on your own. Take your pick. Take your pick. You have 10 seconds to decide and I'm done. Take your pick. The clock's running out. What's it going to be? You want your car smashed or are you going to get out? What's it going to be? You want your window broke or are you going to get out? Take your pick. Okay.
Go ahead.
We're moving in. We're going to break your window. We're doing it.
Hands up.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hands up and get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out.
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car. Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car.
I'm gonna get some cover.
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car. Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car.
Push it. Push it.
Put it in park.
Yeah, I know.
Take the seatbelt off with your right hand. Take the seatbelt off with your right hand.
Put your hands on the steering wheel.
Watch your cross.
Okay. You're good. You're good. You're good. Put with your right hand. Take your seatbelt off. Right hand.
Take off your seatbelt. Crawl over here. Do it now.
It's off.
Yes,
Come
crawl
over.
to us. Do it now.
Come over this way.
Relax.
As she was dragged away, she continued to insist that I did nothing wrong. When handcuffed and read her Miranda rights, she said, "I don't understand why this is happening. You violated my rights." The police replied, "When you're given a lawful order, you comply."
Please stop! I didn't do anything.
Do you have anything on your person?
You're gonna
Do you have anything?
threaten me?
Hey, can you listen? Do you have anything on your person?
Nothing I can remember, no, but nothing.
Okay, you
nothing
have a female
that
here that's gonna search you. Do you have anything on your person that's
No.
gonna poke me,
Please
stick me?
stop.
If you
No.
keep going away, I'm gonna charge you myself.
I'm not doing.
Keep going.
I can't tell which way. I can't see behind me. Please stop.
All right, this deputy here is gonna search you. She's gonna run you through some things. Let's go. I got it.
You're okay. Let it go.
Let me go. Please. I'm not complying. I just. Because I don't want to lose my balance.
You're not.
Okay, you got two people. You're not losing your balance.
Well, I'd like to carry my own
No,
weight.
you're
Okay.
gonna keep going over here.
Ow!
You're gonna keep walking this way.
All right, here's good.
Lean against forward. Give me a second. Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick, stab, or poke me?
No, I wouldn't.
Stop
anyway,
reaching
but
for
I'm just-
anything.
I'm
Stop
not
reaching for
I'm
anything.
just patting you to make sure there's nothing in my pocket.
Don't move.
This is ridiculous. I didn't turn you guys into anything. I asked what I was being pulled over for, and I wasn't answered.
Do you think you run these stops? I mean,
didn't run
honestly, do you
anything.
think you're in charge of these stops?
I feel like I should be in charge of my own personal safety. Yes.
Okay, and you were completely safe until
No, I
you
wasn't.
made it unsafe.
I didn't make anything unsafe by asking why I was being pulled over.
You don't run the stop, ma'am. I'm not going to argue with you. When you're given a lawful order by law enforcement, you comply.
Lean forward and spread your feet.
I am.
Spread your feet.
I can't lean if any more forward. I'm
Spread your
short.
feet.
Let me get to you. It's okay.
Please. This is what I didn't want.
Lean forward.
I stop pushing back. I'm not pushing back. I'm not pushing back.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand? Yes or no, do you understand?
No, I don't understand why any of this is happening. Because
No,
I asked you a direct question and you didn't answer me.
Do you understand what I just read
You're
you?
supposed to legally be able to answer me.
I do not have to
why
tell you.
You pulled me
I
over.
do not have to
yes.
tell you that. I do not have to tell you that.
There's one clip
So
in
would
there
you?
and that's it. The
can
rest is just my hair.
If you didn't understand these, do you want me to read them again?
I wasn't listening to you.
Do you want me to read them again?
You wanted to know your rights. You just told me that, and he's trying to get read them to
Do you
you.
want to read them? Do you want me to read them again?
By the person who violated my rights.
Do you want me to read them again? Yes or no? Yes or no? Cool. Put her in the car.
She was arrested at the scene and taken to police headquarters. After confrontation, she was remanded in custody to appear in court the following morning. For these crimes, if handled as a first offense, no previous conviction, she could face fine $500 to $1.500, probation or short-term detention of 15 to 60 days, misdemeanor record for disobeying orders and obstruction.